Alright. We're back again with another one day. Live trading vlog. Looking at how price looks like on the 10-minute. Looks like it might want to drop from here. Look at that on the 30-second. It might want to drop from here. I'm looking, mates. Similar to every other time. Let me try. Similar to, or I'm looking at it similarly to something like this, where price is like higher up, and then this might be the time that it wants to drop. So I'm looking to see if price may want to replicate that same situation for me for the one time, right? Let's just see. I don't know. We're 1,000 miles from comfort. I'm just looking at him. We have traveled land and sea. Yeah. And as long as you are with me. Alright. But yes. We're here. This is how the 30-second looks like. It looks like it might be dropping right now or soon. Right? I didn't want to go in. It's 8:33 right now. It's 8:33 right now on the 1 minute. Let me go to the 2. Let's see what we got. 2 minute. Okay. So for me personally, because this is such a prominent area, I don't want to go for anything in this range. I'd want to see price break out of this range, break out of this line right here, break past it, and then do the thing that I like, and then potentially get an entry from that point. But other than that, I'm not looking for shit. I ain't gonna lie to you, I just had the temptation to put a sell limit, a sell order, like right below, just so if and when price does come, I'm just already in there. But that is not my setup. All right, might go for this sell on the demo account.
Stop filled.
Just for fun's key. Might go for it. Alright, we're in that on the demo. Not in real life, though. In real life, I'm still waiting for price to kind of break past this point, so I have a lot more confirmation that price wants to continue down rather than doing like some shit like this to then, continue going up. So I just really want to wait to see it break past this line right here. And it might do that soon. So yeah, so if we get a break past this, please, past this line right here with this candle, please, because I would want for it to break past this line and then come up to this supply zone, and then if I get that, then I'll take it, break the candle. But we'll see what price wants to do. Okay, so price just gave me that break. Now I feel a lot more confident to potentially going for a sell. Again, on the demo, we're already in this trade. Now what I'd be looking for is the price to come up to this point, or this point, this zone right here, and then giving me like a thingy to get into potentially. But yeah, I'll let you know. Okay, price is just kind of tapped. Not exactly what I'm looking for, but kind of what I'm looking for. I'd hope for like a little bit of a leg up. Like I wanted to tap, but I wanted to kind of get here and then come back down. But shit, if it gives me that bull, I'm in this joint. Like I'm not trying to shy away from this shit, Like I'm in that joint if it gives me the break. You know what? No. Let me be patient. And if I don't get the right pull, then I'll at least get in from this point right here. But let me at least be patient. I'll let you know. Okay, so it got me into a trade. So that's all I can say. I'll let you know how it goes. I'm just gonna work on my breathing and and be yeah, just chill. This is the demo. This is the trade that we on. We got in right over here. I just feel like price might come up all the way over here, so like I don't want to move my stop loss or anything, give it the benefit of the doubt. If it ends up coming up all the way over here, we got like one tick before it's like a dub. But yeah, I don't know, I like it. Looking at the 10. It looked good. I think price can go a little farther, but you know, only time will tell for real. Only time will tell for real. So we got in at 72.62. So I'm gonna put my jaw right here. 72.62 flat. Stop loss at 72.64. 50. And then TP is 1-to-1. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for. If price does this dirty, I wouldn't be shocked, but you know, still sucks. If this loses, then I'm not too sure today if I'll be done for the day, but yeah, I'll see how this one makes me feel. But for now, I just want to focus on my breathing. I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so on the demo, we just got order filled. So that's $10 over there. This right now on the actual live account is looking like this, but only time will tell for real. All right. I won't sit here and lie to you and tell you that I don't feel confident about this. I really feel confident about this setup. I ain't gonna hold you. It can still stop me out, but it just looked good. It just looked good. But again, I'll let y'all know. I think the other trade I was confident on, and then it stopped me out. It was like, I think it got like up to 1.7, and then it stopped me out. So, you know, anything can happen, but I just feel confident about this one. But again, anything can happen. I'm getting in another trade on the demo for sells. On the 10-minute though, this one got me a little bit iffy because we did have a retracement, and I was like, I was away because I was looking at my girls, but then I seen the retracement. I was like, oh fuck, this might not be the one. But I got in for another sell on the demo. It might bite me in the ass, but I'm willing to take the chance. But if they do that doesn't look good for me. I'll let you know. Okay, this looks pretty good, but I need for it to like break past this line and like close past it for me to like feel confident. So yeah, we have high impact news at 10 a.m. but nothing other than 9. But yeah, ugh. I think price is actually gonna stop me out. Fuck, bruh, what, bruh? Like it just, huh? Should I move my stop loss? I'm gonna move my stop loss backwards or this, because if it dropped and it broke past that line that I was looking at, toughies, but it didn't hit TP, so I'm unsatisfied. So my stop loss now is at 72.63, 72.63.50. If price does what it just did there, and then does that, and it blasts up, I'm not taking the full risk that I took initially. No, bro. You like 4 ticks away from my stop. No, bro. I'm not putting it to break even because that's way too close. But I am putting it a little bit higher above these majors because it was above here. But nah, this is a major structure point. Major structure point. If price where it is right now, but goes all the way over here, it don't want to go down. So yeah, I'll let y'all know. But yeah, oh yeah, and on the demo, I think oh yeah, we in another contract. I put another contract. I'm crazy. But yeah, I'll let you know. I can't trust these markets, bro. It be looking like and then it's like nah, bruh. All right, man. I'm pissed off. Bruh, price just went up to tap into this supply zone, bruh. I hope we don't start ranging and we actually start dropping from here, bruh. It just gave us the break from that point, that supply. Bruh, what it want to do? Because yesterday was ranging like fuck. And like, bro, I swear it finna do the same shit that it did to me yesterday. Get to this point and then fucking collapse. Like, bro, don't be doing that shit, bro. But I feel like now I don't even feel confident. Remember I said I feel confident about this setup. Now I don't even feel confident about this setup. Damn. But I'ma still hold, be patient, all that, amen. You know. But we is in this fair value gap. So now I'm like, oh. But I don't know, yo. I'll let you know, man. Let's see what happens. Alright. Yeah, long time, but yeah, we lost. Price did that. Yeah. Same thing as before, I guess. Here. Here. Screenshots. Okay, I guess we're just wrong. Price had other ideas. It wanted to tap into, I guess, what this and make its way up. How do you feel? I mean, listen, I based my zones off of the 10-minute. Okay, so me, you know, not doing this on the 2-minute, it's like, how the fuck am I supposed to know? You know, I base my zones off of the 2-minute. Sorry, the 10-minute. So it's like, yeah, man. All right. Well, I'm done for the day. So these niggas love taking my money. So, all right, I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.